Do you know or have you heard that there are many non-Muslim preachers, doctors, engineers, professors? They have spoken a lot about Islam positively. One of them is Professor K.S. Ramakrishna Rao. He writes about Islam, about our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in a positive way, which will impress you. He writes, there is Muhammad the Prophet, there is Muhammad the General, Muhammad the Ruler, Muhammad the Warrior, Muhammad the Businessman, Muhammad the Preacher, Muhammad the Philosopher, Muhammad the Statesman, Muhammad the Orator, Muhammad the Reformer, Muhammad the Refuge of Orphans, Muhammad the Protector of Slaves, Muhammad the Emancipator of Women, Muhammad the Judge, Muhammad the Administrator, Muhammad the Saint. And in all these magnificent roles, in all these departments of human activities, he is like a hero. He is the actual hero.